Manually writing SEO titles and descriptions for hundreds of WordPress posts is time-consuming and tedious. But with WP Sheet Editor AI, you can automate this entire workflow using the power of generative AI. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use generative AI and WP Sheet Editor to bulk generate optimized SEO titles and descriptions in just a few clicks. Before we begin, please make sure you have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin for post types, the WP Sheet Editor AI extension, and of course, the Yoast SEO plugin. We'll start by creating some global prompts. These act as templates so you don't have to type out long instructions every time you want to edit a post. Go to WP Sheet Editor AI. Once there, click on Settings and then on Prompts. Click Add New. Let's create a prompt for the SEO title. In the prompt field, we'll tell the AI to generate a concise 60-character title based on the specific post columns, like title, content, and SEO keyword. Now let's do the same for the SEO description. We'll auto-prompt asking for an engaging summary under 155 characters that includes our keywords. Once you save this, you have your two powerful AI shortcuts ready to go. After saving the changes, you'll notice how it generates a slug or shortcut. You'll use this later to trigger the AI prompts quickly. Now open your Posts spreadsheet. You'll see all your WordPress posts together with the Yoast SEO fields displayed in columns right next to your post content. You can see that our posts don't have neither SEO title nor description. To generate a title for a single post, you don't need to type a full prompt. Just type the shortcut we created earlier directly into the cell. The AI analyzes your content and keywords and returns a perfectly optimized SEO title. If you don't want to use prompt shortcuts, you can type full prompts in the cells. Now you can do the same in the SEO description cells. You can even copy and paste that shortcut into multiple cells at once to update several posts manually. Once you've generated SEO titles and descriptions, save the changes. Now, what if you have hundreds of posts missing SEO data? Let's use the bulk edit tool. First, let's find all the posts that are missing SEO data. In the search tool, we can use the quick filters to find posts missing SEO titles. Now that we've filtered the list, open the bulk edit tool. Select Edit All Rows for my current search. Choose the SEO title field. Here is the best part. For the type of edit, you don't need to copy-paste text. Simply select the AI command we created earlier from the drop-down menu. Optionally, you can run custom prompts. If you click on Preview, you can preview the result of the AI prompt, which is really useful to ensure you get the exact results you expect. Click Execute Now, and the AI will automatically write unique, keyword-optimized titles for every single post in that list. You can repeat this exact process for your SEO descriptions. Filter for empty description fields. Now run the bulk editor and select your SEO description AI command. And just like that, you've optimized your entire library without writing a single line of text manually.
WP Sheet Editor AI is compatible with multiple AI providers, such as OpenRouter, OpenAI, and any other provider that uses a format compatible with OpenAI. You can use multiple models for different tasks, such as refining your content, translating it, generating new content, generating images, etc.
You can go to the link in the description of this video to read the written guide to this tutorial. Also, you can get free live chat assistance or read hundreds of tutorials and guides at wpsheeteditor.com. Thanks for watching.